Morning.
How'd you sleep?
Fine.
It rained.
Yeah.
First rain since we've been here.
That's good.
How you like the boat?
It's good.
Yeah.
It's a little bright in here right now.
So where are we going today?
We're gonna go to Jost Van Dyke and not to the White Bay. We're too big, too fat. We're gonna go around to the other place where Foxy's Taboo is.
Where are we now?
We are in Cane Garden Bay. We got in at like 4:35 last night, and I got a time lapse of the sunset. It actually worked, and we went and watched what was his name? Keto at Keto's Gazebo. He was playing some acoustic music. He was really good. Had some appetizers and happy hour. Walked along the beach, and then dinghied around and looked at everybody's windows on their boats. And
no, we did not.
No. We dinghied around, and we came back and ate leftovers. It was exciting.
We never eat leftovers.
Yes. Didn't waste the food. And then we went to sleep. And then you got up like 12 hours ago because you're crazy. And it's only like 6 a.m., so I'm not sleeping in here.
7:30.
Oh, whatever.
7:30.
It's 7:30.
Okay.
It's a good wake-up time. Is it on? Just need to put my sunglasses on. Here we are, in the wilds of the islands. We have the elusive Jasper, the sea turtle. We chummed for him with romaine lettuce. He's come up twice, but not when the big camera's on, only when the cell phone is. Always comes up right there. Shall we catch him? Let's find out.
He's just hanging out. Oh, let me go get the romaine. Think he'll appreciate lettuce being thrown at him?
I don't think he'll appreciate lettuce being thrown at him, but you can try. Jasper!
He comes over for the lettuce. That's
You
money.
can't see the lettuce.
What's he looking for?
He's looking for something.
Jasper!
Jasper! What's he doing? Oh. He's down.
See him?
See him.
Oh, let me go get the big camera.
Jasper! He's down again.
It's okay. Just keep an eye on him.
After finding Jasper and taking some spectacular photographs of him, we headed over to Jost Van Dyke.
spell Jost?
J-O-S-T.
Yes.
Jost.
Jost Van Dyke.
of a jackhammer in the morning.
Yes, wonderful. Looks like destruction from Irma Maria. Corsair looks like it's open. Sure. Large population of taxis on this road for some reason. Pour your own drink. That sounds dangerous. We really did have a great time in the BVIs, the beautiful beaches, the great snorkeling, the great bars, and great food. I highly recommend it if you haven't been. Stay tuned to next time where I take you to La Rochelle, France to meet Avalon, our new boat. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe.